Are you tired of constantly battling with your HVAC system to maintain the perfect indoor climate? Let's dive into the world of HVAC ventilation, exploring the components that keep your home's air fresh and comfortable. With PartsHnC, we'll unravel the secrets to optimal indoor air quality. At PartsHnC, we understand the importance of a well-functioning ventilation system. That's why we're committed to providing you with an extensive range of top-notch parts meticulously curated from reputable manufacturers. From air filters to ducts and ductwork, vents, grills, and dampers, we've got you covered. Air filters are the unsung heroes of HVAC systems. They tirelessly work to remove contaminants such as dust, pollen, and pet dander from the air, promoting a healthier indoor environment. Meanwhile, the ducts and ductwork form the backbone of your HVAC system, efficiently transporting air throughout your home. And then, there are dampers. These clever valves control the airflow in your ducts, letting you customize the airflow to specific rooms or areas. This results in maximum comfort and energy efficiency. So no matter your HVAC needs, with PartsHnC, you can rest assured knowing that your ventilation system is in good hands. So, what are you waiting for? Browse PartsHnC today and discover a world of premium HVAC parts at the best prices. Remember, optimal indoor comfort is a click away with PartsHnC's vast selection. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content.